Hello! So I'm going to show you how you can see what I said about your writing, and you can make corrections and submit it again so that it can be not incomplete and it can be complete with a green check mark. So if you go over here on the left to grades, click on grades, then you can see your different assignments. And you see this one here has an X. So that means that I want you to make some changes and give it back to me again. And you can also see over here there are some comments about it. One comment. So you can click the comments and you can see the comment down here and you can watch the comment. And I can leave a comment here. But for your writing, you're going to go over here and click. And then here, view feedback, click. And then here, download annotated PDF. So here's where you can see what I wrote about your writing. So it came down here and I can open it. And now you can see what I wrote about your writing. So for example, if something is highlighted here and you mouse over it, you can see that, okay, flooding should be Flooding. We need another O here. And here, his name Liebing, his name was Liebing. His name was Liebing. Every year, Min River, every year, the Min River. Over here we have a small r, and you can see capital R, river. So you can see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4 mistakes here. And then you can go back to your writing. If you go back to your writing, get rid of this, and you can click on your original writing and then open your writing. Enable editing up here. So if I can remember the 4 things I need to fix. So here's one, flooding with OO. Oh, actually this is another problem. Governor should be OR. Governor. His name Liebing, his name was Liebing. Every year Min River should be the Min River, river with capital R. Overflowed. Okay, so now I think everything's okay. So now I'm going to save as, and save it on my desktop. Save. Okay, actually it doesn't want to. I'm going to save it with a different name. So I'm going to say 2. Summary, Liebing and the Flooding 2. And save. So that's on my desktop. Now I can close this, and I can resubmit assignment. So I'm going to hit resubmit, and then go down here, choose file, and I'm going to find my summary Liebing and the Flooding 2. This is the new one that I fixed. And then open. Here I see it. And then I'm going to submit assignment. And down here I can see it says submitted with the time 10:47. So it worked. So that's how you fix your assignments. Please let me know if you have any questions.